Lots of people confuse brightening lotions, whitening lotions, and lightening lotions, but these are not the same thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene, your skincare bestie, bringing you expert tips on beauty, skincare, lifestyle, and wellness. Today we are diving into something super interesting: the most potent brightening body lotions for even radiant skin. Lots of people confuse brightening lotions, whitening lotions, and lightening lotions, but these are not the same thing. Brightening lotions helps to improve your skin natural complexion, fade the appearance of dark spot and hyperpigmentation without changing your natural skin tone. Lightening and whitening, in the other hand, contain harmful chemicals that reduce the production of melanin, thereby drastically changing your natural tone. This is the product that is going to give you 1 to 2 shades lighter. Yes, it's whitening product is going to give you that result. Brightening product is not going to give you any of those results. You get? So if you bought brightening product with the mindset that is going to lighten your skin, then I'm sorry, you are just wasting your time, because it's not going to lighten your skin at all. It's not going to give you that effect at all. And if you are bleaching your skin and you want to start using brightening product as your permanent lotion, I'm sorry, it's not going to help you maintain that bleached skin. It's going to drastically take your skin back to its natural complexion. So if that's not what you want, then you want to stay away from this product. Okay, now that you understand the difference between these three products, let's now look at the ingredients to look for in a brightening product. Brightening product often contain ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, Amlactin, contains licorice extract, it contains azelaic acid and ferulic acid, and more other ingredients. Vitamin C helps to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and helps to brighten dull skin. It also helps to stimulate the production of collagen. Niacinamide helps to minimize pores, it helps to fade dark spots or hyperpigmentation. It also helps to reduce excess oil production. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory that helps to calm redness or irritation. Amlactin helps to fade hyperpigmentation by inhibiting melanin production. This is a safer option for hydropignon. Licorice also helps to fade dark spots. It helps to brighten the skin. It helps to improve the skin complexion. Ferulic acid, what ferulic acid does is just to boost the power of other ingredients in a product. That's what this ferulic acid does. Azelaic acid helps to even out the skin. It helps to heal acne. All these ingredients are going to help even out your complexion. It's going to help fade the appearance of dark spots or hyperpigmentation. It's going to help improve your skin complexion without bleaching your skin, without changing your skin natural tone from 1 shade to 2 lighter. No, these ingredients are safe and they are very, very good. Now let's look at the most potent brightening lotions for even radiant complexion. Number 1 on my list is the Medix 5.5. This body lotion contains tumeric and vitamin C. It's going to help fade the appearance of your dark spot or hyperpigmentation. It's going to help even out your skin and going to help brighten up your dull skin. And it's going to help brighten up your dull skin. And it's also going to help firm your skin. If you have saggy skin, this particular product is going to help firm your skin. Yes, because of the vitamin C in it. Don't forget that vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of collagen. So the next on my list is the Amlactin vitamin C lotion. This lotion is an exfoliant and at the same time a brightening body lotion. This lotion is going to help fade the appearance of your dark spots and is also going to help brighten up your dull skin. At the same time, it's going to exfoliate your skin. If you have a textured skin, your skin is rough, you have that bumpy skin, this particular product is going to help exfoliate your skin, revealing a very smoother, fresh skin. Yes, that's the benefit you are going to be getting from this particular product. So if you have a tough skin, you have a rough skin, you want to go for this particular product. It's going to help smooth your skin and at the same time brighten up your skin. The next on my list is the Olay vitamin C lotion. The Olay vitamin C lotion helps to even out your dull skin. It helps to brighten up your dull skin. It helps to fade the appearance of dark spots, and also helps to boost your skin natural radiance. The next on my list is the Vaseline Gluta Dewy Serum Lotion. This lotion contains niacinamide, contains vitamin C, contains hyaluronic acid. It's going to help keep your skin hydrated. It's going to moisturize your skin, and at the same time, it's going to help brighten up your skin. It's going to help brighten up your dull skin. This product is lightweight and it absorbs fast into the skin. So another product is the Mary and May vitamin C lotion. This lotion contains vitamin C. It's going to help brighten up your skin, help fade your dark spot. So guys, if you have watched in this extent, thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I believe you enjoy watching this video, so please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new video here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.